guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy. Today I'm reviewing the Bobbi Boss HD 13x5 frontal wig in the style Darcy. I have this nice pretty 1B TQ.BLU color. It's really subtle with this 1B color, and then the streaks of blue are in it, and it's a nice subtle midnight blue. This has your two combs in the front right next to the lace, your one in the back, and then your adjustable straps. So this wig in particular does come with this double lined HD lace. Guys, I had put this on my head initially and the line of demarcation was so bad that I just decided to cut it out. So I'm using a seam ripper and I'm just showing you here how I cut it out. Then I put my finger in there and I just cut it out slowly. You want to be real careful with this part because you don't want to rip this lace, but I feel like taking out this extra line that it came in, it really helps with making this wig look more believable and removing that line of demarcation. So I'm just showing you guys up close how to just gently go through this lace and rip it. Just be real careful with this part, guys. It's absolutely optional, but like I said, to remove that line of demarcation, I just felt like removing this extra double line lace was necessary. I think they were trying to give us like a scalp illusion, but it just wasn't working for me, so I'm removing it. So now I'm just putting it on my mannequin head and I'm just showing you guys, just go amongst that thread and slowly remove it. The front part of removing it is not hard, but it's a little bit more delicate than the back. The back gets a little bit easier. Once you see that I get to the back, I'm just going to totally like pretty much rip it off. But the front, you want to be more gentle because you don't want to get any holes. You don't want to rip the lace and you don't want to mess it up. So this back part is definitely much easier because it's like you're ripping it off the cap versus just ripping it off the lace, so it's definitely much easier. And this is pretty much the final result. I mean, just the frontal with it removed, that double lace removed. And I think this looks a lot better. So I'm just going in with my foundation here and I'm tinting that lace. That lace to me, as much as it says HD, it just wasn't matching my complexion, so I'm just matching it. You could use whatever you need to use to match that lace, and then I'm just going ahead and melting it with my bedhead spray. I went ahead and changed my clothes, guys, because I wanted the lace to show up better for you. I wanted you to really see that blue color, and the black just wasn't working, girl. I don't know, it wasn't working. So I'm just cutting off the lace here. And then I'm going to go ahead and melt it in some more and I just press it down. I'm kind of fast forwarding parts and doing all of that, but this whole process I want to say took about 10 minutes. Then I go in with my wax stick just because it has some flyaways. I also went in with a little bit of heat off camera just to kind of lay that top part flat. And then I'm just showing you the length of the wig, and that's pretty much it. You are going to get some tangling with this wig. It's synthetic, but nothing your brush can't comb out. The texture is really silky, guys. This wig is also kind of thin, but I think it's pretty cute for $30. I mean, you're not going to get a human hair Bobbi Boss blend, but I mean, look at it. It's a look. I think it works. It is what it is. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this unit. Would you buy her? And until next time, beauties, we will talk later. Bye.